All right, so welcome to this video session. So in this video session, we're going to be talking about how to create your personal brand sound or your personalized music that you can use for your brand on your YouTube to use for your YouTube channel and your Facebook, so that YouTube or Facebook will not restrict you if you are using other people's sound. So we are going to be doing that. We're going to be generating the script for our sound on the ChatGPT. So log into your ChatGPT, then you can type for example, I type right. So I wrote and create personalized music lyrics for my brand Wiko Digital Hub that I can use for my videos. So this is one of the ways you can create music for, you can use to write music lyrics or create music for your brand, or you can create a normal music that you can use. So you can see the music, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, all of that. So for example, if I want to go and create the background music now, then I will copy, then you go to voice mode, then click on generate sound, generate song. So you can choose any of the lyrics that you want. You can choose any one that you want. So for example, I want this one, I'll choose this one, then I'll click on use. So depend on, if I want to use male, I can use male. If I want to use female, I can use female. So you select the one you need, then you click on next, then you paste your lyrics here, then you change this place to song by song name. We cool background sound. You can change here to your name, then click on create song. So for you to create song, you need to sign in first before you can be able to create be able to generate this song. So you can sign in with your email, or you can sign in with your Google account.